All right, so welcome back to the lab. You know what we do here. Goldfish #1 today, Twinkies #2 today. What am I gonna do with it? Well, I'm gonna make twink fish. And you're probably looking at yourself, Burton, this does not even look good at all. But guess what? It is really, really good. And you need to try it, so stay tuned. All right, so how do we go about this process? First, start off with some goldfish. I need to crack them a little bit, so just going straight in. And then to help with the process, take them, pour them into a little bit of a blender, just like this. If you're a little bit older, give it a little crank. This was the best dance move back in 1986. That's my age. Oh, that sounded weird. Sound like Toy Story. All right, so now get in. And so this is what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be all the way cracked up, but this is what we're looking for, because if we don't have it here, okay, I think somebody's behind you. Look, behind you. And boom. That was the reason I wanted to do that, because I don't get to do this machine, but I get to use this machine, and I'm very, very excited about it. All right, I need to go get stuff. All right, so now it's time to actually make the sponge cake. So what you can see here is a little bit of sucre glace, which is not the correct word in French, or is it? It's confectioner's sugar and also some eggs. Very, very easy process here. So I'm gonna go straight into my mixer, put it down. We're gonna go 4 minutes on medium speed, okay? Do not forget about those goldfish. All right, so now this is gonna go on medium speed for 4 minutes. A little bit fast. All right, so it's been 4 minutes now. Gotta turn that off. I'm gonna take this out. I wanna show you this, give it a little tack. Get all this stuff off. Look at this. This is the texture that you're going for. You see how it kind of moves around, but it's not solid. Actually smells really, really good too, by the way. So now I have my meringue here. I'm gonna put this in. Whee! So I'm just gonna start folding this into it. You always need a little bit of flour, so we're gonna go straight in with that, and that's gonna act as the binder for it. All right, so once you have this color here, now you're ready to go to the next step. All right, so now is the big secret of actually how to make this shape. So I wanna show you this really quick. So I have a piece of aluminum. What you're gonna do, you're gonna fold in long ways on the piece, turn it over, just like so. Now here's the secret. You're gonna take your little spice bottle, you're gonna roll it over it. Press in. Look, kind of captured it, pretty cool. All right, so now all we're gonna do is make a boat. So with the edges, I'm just pushing in. So you're gonna pinch, then fold in. Now what you'll do, push down to make it flat. And there you go, guys. There you go, have your shape. And if you don't believe me, sets in perfectly. Gonna spray this with a little bit of grease. Maybe that was a lot. Take your little, I guess your batter as you would say it, and what we're gonna do is just gonna place it right in. And you wanna come about halfway up. Just gonna let you know that. It's something simple that you can do. We're just gonna go through the rest, just like in cake baking. And so what I'm trying to do here is just make sure that everything's even. And so I'm gonna go in. All right, so just finishing off with the last one. Looks great, smells great. Now it's time to go into a preheated oven, 350 degrees. All right, so now we're gonna go in that preheated oven, 350 degrees, and we're gonna let it cook for 8 minutes. Some fresh back from the oven, just gonna place those there. What goes better than cheddar? Well, of course, chili pepper, and I love that. So this is the combination that we're actually gonna be doing for you today. So now follow me here. I'm gonna take this, I'm just gonna turn it right over. And guys, there you go. We got it. Pretty, really cool, not gonna lie. But we're not finished now. So what we need to do, we need to turn it over. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a chopstick, okay, just like this. You're gonna poke a hole in. You're gonna make a hole in the center. You're gonna make a little space around. Now we're going to the last hole. And again, continue making space. You wanna push down that sponge cake. So now we have a little bit of space for what I have next. Now this little mixture is gonna be some of that peppers that we had, a little bit of cream cheese, and then also bacon. So you can find this recipe online, and so that's what you're gonna do right there. Once it starts to come out, don't push it anymore. All right, so you're gonna fill it up till it pops on you just like that. It's one of those things, might have a little bit of air, but you'll continue for the last one here. It's really good. There it goes. Okay, we're finishing it off here. All right, so anyway, there you go. I'm gonna go out. Now you can see the 3 holes filled. We have our first salty Twinkie ever. And I'm gonna start filling the other ones, and then we'll go to the last little bit for you to eat with me. All right, so guys, here you go. This is your first ever salty Twinkie with the goldfish, but don't forget, boom, we made it. We made twink fish today. So goldfish with the inside of having a little bit of cheddar, a little bit of pepper, and then also cream cheese, and of course, who doesn't love bacon? Everybody loves bacon. I think it's time for me to taste, but first off, gotta open it up. Oh yeah. All right, so guys, this is what is on the inside. It was absolutely amazing. Should I eat it again? Man, that was absolutely wonderful. You got everything you want in a snack. So when you're at the house and you see this, you can make this at home. Find the recipe only on chefclub.tv, and guess what? We'll have a little challenge on your hands. I ask you to make it, send me a photo, we'll see who made it better. Don't forget about our packaging, twink fish. You can find this online. Make sure to challenge your friends with this recipe, because guess what? You can do this at home as well. I'm not the only one that can make these products, but see if you can copycat me just for a little bit. But until next time, I'll see you here in the Dream Kitchen. All right guys, another product here in the market.